Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Happy Easter. Hope you guys are having a great Easter. You have red all over your lip. Look, look, you see it? Hope you guys are having a great Easter. We're about to get Easter dinner started, but we went to Walmart and I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up at Walmart. Just some things to help with the Easter dinner tonight, as well as some things to help with my meal prep, because y'all know I'm obsessed with that chili and I need to make it. And stopped at Starbucks and got my Trenta iced coffee, no classic, heavy whipping cream, light ice, and 4 packets of stevia. As Daniela Diaries had discovered that their sugar-free syrups actually have maltodextrin in it. I stopped drinking the sugar-free syrups a while ago. I've actually kind of stopped drinking most sugar-free syrups, and I've just been putting in either half and half or heavy whipping cream and then just stevia. I've grown accustomed to it now. I don't need that extra flavor. On occasion I will put it in, but I have noticed it's kind of like affecting me a little bit. It's not kicking me, but I am getting lowered, so I'm trying to stay away from using so much of them. So that's usually what I've been getting for the past few months now at Starbucks. So here, let's just get right into what I got, and then I'll tell you what I plan on using everything in, and I will say prices. But first, before we jump in, if you're new here, click the subscribe button. It helps my channel grow. Click the like button and click the notification bell, because that will notify you every time I upload. I upload Monday through Friday, and sometimes on the weekends, and occasionally I go live. All right, guys, so here's what I got. You can eat your Cheetos. Here's what I got at Walmart. So actually, this isn't mine, but this is... this has sucralose in it, I think it has. Let's see. Aspartame. Okay, this has aspartame in it. It's not a bad choice if you're having a hard time getting into the sparkling water flavors, because it is hard. If you're not a fan, if you're a big pop drinker and you're not a fan of flavored waters and sparkling waters, this is a good way to kind of jump into it. Now, I will say, when you start keto, your taste buds do change. Oddly enough, they really do. And things become sweet to you that were so disgusting before. So this is actually really, really flavorful. My kids love this, and actually this is Reese's. He wanted that. And they're only like 50 cents. Yeah, they're only like 50 cents for that big giant bottle. I picked up 2 cans of these diced tomatoes and green chilies for the chili, along with a can of tomato paste. I'm going to take Aaron's advice and omit the red pepper and the onion to save on some carbs. We've been super into eating tuna fish lately. It's a great source of protein and helps you get in your... Come on now. Of course, it's 0 carbs, and it's a great way to get in your omega-3s. Yeah, guys, if you're not eating tuna fish and you like tuna fish, what are you doing? If you do not like tuna fish, don't eat it. But yeah, so I made a video coming out. I mean, who needs a video on how to make tuna fish, right? But I made a video on a loaded tuna fish salad. That's how we make ours, and it's got just a whole bunch of stuff in it, and it's really filling and delicious. I've never used this, but I wanted to make a kind of like a little antipasta salad, but I didn't want to use regular Italian. So I did see this, and it's probably just 1 carb lower than what the regular Italian that I have in my refrigerator is. I will take that out and compare. But this is 2 carbs. 2 carbs for 2 tablespoons. And I know. Okay, it has soybean oil in it, but I mean, it's not like I'm going to be eating this every day. It's made with avocado oil. I'm interested to see how that tastes. The boys really wanted some chili dogs, so I picked up some beef hot dogs. These are uncured Franks. They are less than 1 gram carb per link. So we got those, and we got a can of chili for them. Just so in case, you know, we eat all the other chili. You guys know, if you watch my channel, that I love Max pork rinds. They're my favorite pork rinds. They had this jumbo party size bag. It's gigantic. It was like $3 something. Oh my god, I forgot to tell you guys the prices. This was like $3.64. I cannot find my receipt. This was $3. These were 68 cents a piece. This was $1.60. These were 86 cents. And then this was 35 cents. I got this sugar-free syrup, which was $1.25. And they had this Birch Benders pancake and waffle mix. Just add water. The keto kind. 5 net carbs for 2 pancakes. 9 grams of protein. Super easy. If I wanted to have a pancake in the morning, I can. It's got the resealable package, which I really like. Look at the ingredients here, you guys. Not bad. This is exciting. I know I can make my own, but this is just very convenient and easy, and it wasn't really that expensive. It was only like $2.60. That's not bad. I got this little bag of Hormel mini pepperonis for the pasta salad. This was about $1.80. These eggs I got for $1.50. And then I got these strawberries for $3.20. Then I got some non-keto items. Non-food items, I should say. I mean, I did get some non-keto items, like Easter donuts for the kids. And then the chili, Reese and Payne wanted some beef ravioli. One of them wanted a Lunchable. They wanted this big bag of chips. Some candy and some cosmic brownies. We don't need to go all into that. And then Reese had this. This is 20 cents. How cute. But that's not keto. Okay, so onto this. I needed some deodorant. This was on sale. I really like Dove. I like this scent. And this was buy 2 for $4. So I got that. I want to start measuring. This was only $1 at Walmart in the sewing aisle. So now I can take measurements of everything. So when I'm not having any scale victories, I can have some non-scale victories. And then I really wanted to start working out more. Okay, so everything here except for one pair of the pants and the sports bra was $2.90. This tank top, $2.90. And you guys, okay, I'm still not used to this. I am used to wearing a 3X. 2X was usually tight on me. I've been noticing my 2Xs have been very loose on me. So, I didn't even realize this is a 3X. I grabbed the wrong size. Is this one a 3X? Yeah, this is a 3X too. I grabbed the wrong size of these. I did not realize. Oh well, that's okay. I don't mind a large tank top. Okay, well, that was awkward. Anyways, I've been noticing that my 2Xs are getting big on me, so I was going to get 2Xs and be comfortable, but I guess I got 3X. But I did get 2Xs in the athletic pants. Now, these were like normally like $10, but these were on sale for $2.97. $2.97. Look at them. They're cute, right? So I got those in a 2X. And then these ones were also, oh no, these ones were not on sale. These ones were, well, they were on sale because the sticker price says $14, but I only paid $10. So these are the super cute ones with the pockets and then like the netting part. So I'm excited to wear those, and I did get those in a 2X. These were only $2.97. I did get these in a 2X. I'm hoping, did I get them in a 2X? Yes. These cute little shorts. I got a black pair and a gray pair. And then the sports bra I got in a 2X and it was $12. This was not on sale. But look at the back, it's super cute. I want to start really incorporating exercise into my routine more often now because I've lost just over 50 pounds and it's time for that. So yeah, I've lost just over 50 pounds. I got my Fitbit. I'm trying to do more steps. I'm trying to incorporate some more exercise. It's healthy for you. You don't have to exercise on keto. I want to exercise on keto. I feel good when I exercise. I have more energy when I exercise. I'm trying to incorporate healthy habits long term for the rest of my life. I'm trying to incorporate into my kids healthy habits for the rest of their life. So I will be trying my best to get more exercise in. And so I can't necessarily go running off in some pants that I'm constantly pulling up the waistband in and boobs slapping me in the face and everything. So I want to be comfortable. So that's what we're going to do. So that's what I got for you guys today. I hope you guys have a happy Easter. I'll make a video later on what I ate for Easter, what I prepared, probably like a meal prep type thing. So I guess I'll see you guys in that video. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. If you're new to my channel, have a great Easter, guys.